Hello everyone. Yesterday, I spent the night in the quiet town of Bishnupur, and today, on the 4th of May, 2025, just a day after the second anniversary of the Manipur riots, I am here to visit Loktak Lake. Given the significance of the date, I want this video to be a moment of reflection, a chance to appreciate the serene beauty of this place, and understand what it means to the people of Manipur.
लोकतक झील केवल पूर्वोत्तर भारत की सबसे बड़ी मीठे पानी की झील ही नहीं है, ये यहाँ की जीवन रेखा है।
Formed over thousands of years, this unique ecosystem supports both wildlife and human life. People here have built their homes on floating islands called fumbis. Entire families live on the lake itself, creating a community that quite literally lives above water.
मछली पालन, सिंचाई और यहाँ तक कि जल विद्युत उत्पादन, इन सभी जरूरतों को लोकतक झील पूरी करती है। ये झील आसपास रहने वाले लोगों की आजीविका से लेकर पूरे क्षेत्र के विकास तक में बेहद महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाती है।
And amidst this delicate ecosystem lives the pride of Manipur, the Sangai, or sometimes known as the brow-antlered deer, or the rare dancing deer found only here. A reminder that preserving this land is essential, not only for people, but for the unique species that call it home. From the peaceful waters of Loktak, we now move to Moirang, where the INA Museum stands, a place deeply rooted in India's struggle for independence. Here, preserved artifacts and photographs tell the story of the Indian National Army and its role in shaping our history. यहाँ संरक्षित वस्तुएं और फोटोग्राफ इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी की कहानी और हमारे इतिहास को आकार देने में उसकी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका को दर्शाते हैं। Finally, from Moirang, I'll be taking the scenic Churachandpur route as I continue my journey towards Mizoram. There is much more ahead, stories of landscapes, culture, and people, so stay with me as this journey continues. But before that, I had to pass through multiple checkposts in the buffer zone, set up to separate the Meitei inhabited valley from the Kuki-Zo inhabited hills and prevent further ethnic conflict. आगे अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया के प्राकृतिक नज़ारे, संस्कृति और लोगों की कहानियाँ। तो इस सफर में मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिए।